Welcome back to day 16 of our 2-week van build. We're officially in the home stretch, which means things are getting a little hectic. The clock is ticking, but every day we're seeing this van transform more and more into a tiny home on wheels. Today, we're finally getting in the last of the shelving into the back of the van, and then we are tackling the pump under the sink. I consider myself more of an electrician than a plumber, so fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. Dude, look at the vibes. Look at the green vibes. Maddie's been making these dope mattress covers. I think they're gonna look great. The green on green with the wood. Oh, it's all coming together.
Emily lives in a city with gross water, frankly. So gross I had to wipe it off the car twice in the last 24 hours. Maybe a third time. I haven't checked this morning.
All right, we're trying to mock up the plumbing for under the sink. And Maddie can't find any screws in the screw stash or bolts.
Oh my god. It's, fun fact, a 10, but it's not, I don't think it's a 24.
It's probably a 1032 to hold this thing together. When Maddie told me that she was getting a water pump for under the sink, in my mind, I was like, oh yeah, that's like $150 item. This is like out of my butt quote I would have done if I had to replace the water pump in somebody's RV. But no, Maddie found a $25 water pump, and it apparently came very well reviewed. And so our main question:
how much flow is actually going to come out
of this $25 water pump, and how ungodly loud is it gonna be? Place your bets now.
Do you want me to get the thing, the tester thing for you?
Oh, yeah!
That's what I was thinking we were doing.
Yeah, let's do that. I was gonna do...
Set it all the way up in there.
I was gonna do something stupid, I'm telling you. So, let's do that. That sounds better. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I can't make it stop. I can't make it stop. I can't. I'm trying. Okay.
It shouldn't be, actually.
I can't. I know. I can't. Oh my god. Why does this not turn it off?
Oh, no, you're not going to hold it.
Okay, you can hold that and the pump.
Okay. When I say turn it off, though, you're going to turn it off.
Okay. 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 I'm gonna plug in. Okay, I have the V course all the way down. I'm hoping that means that it'll be off. I'm at 9 volts. Okay, there's 12.
Emmy?
What?
Undo it. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh no!
I was like, I'm definitely in the water. You're not even I'm not even feeling anything. So yeah, you gotta undo those hose clamps.
Okay, she's right. She's right. She's always right. Nothing's happening.
Here we go.
Yes! It's coming out! It's coming out! It's coming out!
Water. We have to put a hose on. Like it's too big.
Do we have more?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, let's disconnect the power.
That's why we don't do plumbing.
Could we start with unplugging the electrics?
Except the cup is gonna fall.
Okay, thank you.
My hands are wet. You couldn't do this earlier with dry hands.
And you made fun of me.
Okay, well, I don't want to electrocute myself.
You're not going to. Just unplug it.
My hands are close.
There we go. Okay, are you ready, Madeline? Okay, there's your 12. Opening. Mm-hmm. Nope, I'm hearing water. It's coming out of here.
It's going out that way?
Yeah, I mean...
Stop.
Do we have to cap this?
I think we might have to cap it.
Okay, if I cap it with my thumb. I just mean like proof of concept.
I just wanted to come out the faucet.
There we go, right?
No, it's not plugging anything right now.
Ah! We're sucking air, or water, yeah.
Oh, I mean, it's gonna pop out. It's gonna pop out. It's gonna pop out.
It's coming out of the thing. It's coming out of the faucet.
Okay, well, it's gonna back up, and it's gonna spray me in the face. Okay, so, things that I need from Home Depot. Everything.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah. Hey, that's not bad. That's a sink. Oh, we're out of water.
Oh, okay.
Is it coming out that red thing?
No. Today is the final day of trying to build a van in just over 2 weeks. As you can see, still a little chaotic in here. We've got a list of things that we need to get done by the end of the day so Maddie can drive away tomorrow. I'm a little nervous about getting it all done. Don't tell Maddie. She seems pretty confident, but let's jump into it. Maddie expertly cut these backboards last night to cover behind the wheel wells. And so she's starting this morning doing that same thing for the other side. This is going to be her table, and it's going to slot down and sit here for when she's in bed mode to support the middle section of the mattress. So we just need to put a little lip around the edge of this hole so that this piece of wood can sit in place. And that's my job. This black pipe is going to act as the legs for the table that are here. We've got 2 of them. We got these flanges off of Amazon that we're going to screw into the floor and under the table to then turn this whole thing into a table and not just 2 pipes and a piece of wood. But unfortunately, those would not come in time for Mads to leave. So she has shipped those back to her house, and she will do that when she gets home. But for now, I've cut down this pipe that was like 10 feet long into 2 4-foot legs. That's going to be way longer than she needs, obviously. Like, this table would be up over my head, but at least makes it easier for her to transport back home.
I might try this one more time tonight.
Let's see
if this now has like a grip. Because it has
it's
something
going to
grip
to
itself. Well, it didn't dry at all. Like, this was still sticky this morning. So it's been like 48 hours.
There's a piece of countertop that goes right here that Maddie liquid nailed to these hinges, and the idea is that it would hinge up and then you would get access to the fridge here. Except we clamped. We waited the full 24 hours and it still popped off, and when it popped off, the glue was still wet inside.
So I'm gonna try again because
we think now it's just gonna stick to the old glue. It's not gonna hurt anything.
Yeah, there's just gonna be more glue. So yeah.
We're just nervous about screwing into the bottom of the counter because they're just IKEA countertops. So they're just made out of MDF. We're worried.
Yeah.
You try to put a screw into MDF and it just turns into sawdust. It reverts back to the sawdust from whence it came.
Let's screw it down.
If you screw down, I'll work on wiring up your pump.
Okay.
Okay, I've wired up the switch for the pump, a little cup of water here to test, and hopefully, if everything works, it's gonna suck up water from here and push it out of there. Fingers crossed. Promising? We're coming, yes! Okay, coming out of the faucet. Oh, let me open up the drain. Why? Oh, we're out of water, but it's good, yay! Okay, oh, we did all the things. I'm stuck just waiting for it to drain. Oh, we did it. Did it with this stupid sink. It's been the bane of our existence. Oh.
Holy cow!
Wow, I can't believe you just like banged these out.
Yeah, I was like, well, I want to waste as little as you could tell. I used some leftovers. That's why the front feet are different than the back feet.
Holy cow. Listen, guys, my sister is so talented.
I'm a dog. What? Yeah, my dog's 40 pounds. Just FYI.
Listen, we need to put Winona on a bulk. Guys, my sister's awesome. And then look, you're sitting here. Probably over just a little bit. Oh, you have a book. Mm-hmm. You're living your best life. And then look at this little like reading nook. There's gonna be this little reading light here. Ah, the vibes. The vibes. Zippers. Okay, zippers are horizontal.
Yep, and go like that.
Yeah. Oh, Mads. This is nice. This is the vibe.
I just want to sit in the middle back here.
Okay.
If we both like. Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Good.
It's
Here.
more, I just didn't want to feel not secure.
Here, if I get off, does it teeter-totter at all? No. I think you're good. You can sit.
All right.
Then we take... Yeah, even if you put that there. I'm reading a book.
I'm looking at a Glen.
And I'm looking at a Glen. Do you see it? Do you see the dreams being fulfilled?
My vision.
This is all Maddie has ever wanted in life. A portable place to read a book.
Yeah. Like you've been backpacking for like a week and then you come off and then you sit and you look at all you've accomplished and you read a book. And it's so nice.
And then imagine your husband and your dog are
and they're
right
also here.
Yeah, I feel like your very indoor cat husband could still be very happy in here.
That was the goal, was to get. I am very outdoorsy. My husband is a little less outdoorsy, but we still love him. But I think this is like just enough glamping that we got him.
Yeah. Listen, these tiny stickers were so hard to get on.
They're so cute.
Maddie's making fun of me.
Is there one for the pump now, or is it?
Yes. Oh, and the stickers are there. Here, you can put on the water pump sticker and show me how
we'll
easy
see if
it
there's
is.
a water pump sticker.
Okay, but you're calm. You're sitting in this nice seat.
Ah! That's what I imagine you're doing. I know DC is a busy man. I have no idea how to use a bottle jack.
RV Repair Boyfriend's gonna give us a quick tutorial on what to do if, heaven forbid, Maddie has to change a tire in this thing by herself. And then we know that the battery for this van is hiding under the driver's seat. And RV Repair Boyfriend told us that there's gonna be some way that we can jump that battery from the hood without having to take out the driver's seat. Again, heaven forbid Maddie should need to jump while she's on her own. So those are the two things we're gonna make sure to solve before we send her off into the wilderness alone.
Really kind of made it dummy proof. They put numbers on each one.
Okay.
Okay. So you turn it clockwise if you want to jack the van up, and counterclockwise when you
Want to
want
lower
the van
them
to
down.
go down. Lug nuts are supposed to be on tight because they hold your wheels on.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna break them loose, it's gonna take everything you got.
Maddie. Because
Yeah, that's bad.
that feels like it might be part of your problem.
Definitely. Stick out. I would get as close to that bolt as possible. This tube,
Oh, okay.
you're gonna jack up on that tube. So you're gonna get a hole with an arrow.
Oh, what a great finger. Look at it go. Thank you.